What if I told you guys the price of the BTC will go for another downfall, you know, and that price level is this one. So this is what I'm going to talk about in this video, this price level where I'm expecting this BTC will go for. And I'll start with a quick disclaimer. Anything which I will be talking here in this video is my ways to do the analysis, and I'm just sharing for educational and information purposes only, nothing more than that. And to add on, some of the things which I've been doing through this channel, I've started sharing the price of the Bitcoin, prediction, this 97,000, which we have already seen. I've shared that on 3 weeks ago, 97,000. When the prices of the BTC was trading somewhere around 112 or 115, that at that time I've shared this 97,000 level. And then after that, the other videos which has to do with the how the price is going, or maybe what are the things which is happening with the BTC, and I've been trying to update you guys through this channel. And then after that, I've shared this another video which in which I've talked about the BTC is heading for the 85,000 level. And then after these similar way, other videos in which I've talked about how this 85,000 will be going to be played out. So now here I am making yet another video, and I'm talking about this price level. So this video is going to be a very detailed video, and I think it will gonna be a longer than usual video, so stick to the end if you're interested. So let's start with how I do my analysis and what are these two time frame has to do with my analysis and things which this inside this thing has. So first of all, this section is higher time frame. This is higher time frame, and I will be taking this side from the time frame. I think I will be taking daily, 3-day and weekly and above time frame, and I'm just gonna keep this section for the 4-hour time frame. So let's start with the higher time frame. And here the thing which is interesting, and okay, just to add one important thing, this not 85 now anymore, this 65,000 level which I am talking, and I think I'm expecting for this BTC to go for, I think we will see we have to wait for this thing similar to this 85,000 level, wherein the prices took some time, and here in the similar case, this 65,000 right now, this let's start with the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is trading first of all in this zone. So let me just clarify some of the things. In my analysis, what I have is these zones. Okay, so in this weekly time frame, first of all, this is the weekly time zone, weekly time frame zone itself, and on this 3-day zone I have which I have marked it in the 3-day, and I've included in the weekly. And the reason I did that was, first of all, the price is trading in between this lower weekly, we have seen this activity, and then this is the upper weekly time frame zone, first lower and then this one. And in this zone, there are 3 things which we have to keep in our mind. First of all is the upper level, and then lower level, and the activity which take place inside the zone. So right now in this thing, let's go in the 3-day, it will be much more clear here. So in the 3-day time frame, what is happening right now, and we still have 1 day and 15 hours left for the closing of the candle. So right now, on the basis of things which is happening, the price is trying to close slightly above, or maybe above this upper level in the 3-day zone. So this is important here right now. What is happening? If price closed above this upper level of the 3-day time frame, 3-day zone, then it that means, you know, the price still has some sort of a you know, for the time being, the price has to go for the upside move. And if that happens, you know, if price closed slightly above this upper level of the 3-day zone, and if price closed inside this zone below this level, then that indicates a weakness, and the downfall will maybe continue. And if that happens, then in this daily time frame, in, you know, right now I've switched to daily, see. So what will going to happen is price will go for this, first of all, this level. And then after that, if prices gets enough support here, the daily time frame, and trades above this upper level in the daily time frame, then there would be some upside move. And this thing is, I am sure, going to happen because of the weekly time frame. Here in the weekly time frame, not weekly, sorry, 2 week, what we have is, first of all, it is trading slightly below this 50-day moving average, exponential EMA. And most likely, oh, hold on a second. Oh, okay, here we go. Here in the monthly time frame, first of all, it is you know, currently we still have 8 days and 15 hours left. So the whole month, I think what's going to happen is that the price will trade here, you know, the price will end up somewhere here, or maybe below this 21 moving you know, exponential moving average, 21 or 24, I think. Let me just take a look and just to confirm it. Yep, 24. So price will try to close above this 24 exponential moving average, and if by, you know, if price successfully closed above this, similar to this thing what is happening right now, then in the new monthly candle, which I am in right now, it will go for this price level, which is 89,000 level. And here in this 4-hour time frame, this this level is this level, this one. So there are some, you know, attempt the BTC will do for the upside, and that is only for a temporary period of a time. Right now in this 4-hour time frame, what is happening is, this is 4-hour zone, you know, time frame zone, where the price is right now it's trading, and it is trading above this upper, you know, upper 4-hour zone level. So if price successfully, or for the time being, continuously trades above this level, and I think I'm assuming that's going to happen, and if I go here again in this one and then do this, and then since this is yet another, you know, the daily zone in the time, the daily time frame, then there might be a chance that the price will break this 4-hour zone. Currently it is acting as a support. We have seen price, you know, closed or maybe break this upper level, and then after that price, well, there are some trades which is happening inside, and then, you know, inside the zone, and then it is currently trading slightly above the 4-hour upper level. So there might be a chance, or there will be a scenario when the price will continue go for the downside. But we have this, if I do this right now here, let me just do this right away, and if I include this, we have this support, daily support, until the next month end. So price may consolidate here first of all starting with this consolidation, and then it will attempt go for this level. And the reason for this thing is because of my this another indicator which I'm using here. Let me just go and take a higher time frame first of all. Oh, let's take this daily. Okay, see here what is happening right now is, this is my oscillator. When the oscillator is trading below this 23.6, it's the sign of a weakness, or kind of a complete oversold situation. Here I'm just taking the past activities which oscillator did, and I'm just trying to make you guys understand which potentially going to happen. Once the oscillator started going for the upside and go first it will try to break this and then started trading. If the oscillator started trading above this 23.6, then it will attempt to go for this 50 level. This is what happened here, similar to this thing. And then after that, if we will get a rejection here, and this rejection what I am talking here, this is the same rejection, this, and from here onwards, from this price onwards, we might gonna see the fall. And in this monthly time frame, which I try to take as an example, I think what's going to happen is similar to this thing. Price closed above this 24 EMA here, the things which happened here, and the same thing we might be expecting here, the next monthly candle. And then see, this price level is not exactly this, it's not going to be this. Maybe it may go for a little bit more up, 96, or maybe try to go for 100, nearby 196, but I'm just taking this. I think this is the what, 91. And then after that we see a new fall from there, and then go for this 65, 64 level which I'm talking. And here right now in the 3-day, again back to the 3-day, what is happening, and is it is trading above this 3-day zone. Okay, and ongoing candle is trying to close above this upper level. So let's say even price, this 3-day candle which is yet to be closed after 1 day and 15 hours, and closed below this upper level, then which indicates the weakness or the started of the further downside move. If I take this lower level and okay, let me just take that thing scenario. If price of this BTC successfully break even this entire zone and started trading here, then the price will get further difficulty to go for the upside, and that is only going for the temporary period of a time, but due to the resistance it will take a time. And like I said, we still have at least a week or so for the ending of the monthly candle, so that is the most likely thing which is going to happen. And I think my internet is gone or what. Come back. I think internet is gone. So anyway, let me just finish this video by saying, I will be making other in other videos about the latest update or the things which at the time BTC is doing. At that time I will be sharing my further videos, but I think right now I am having an issue with the internet, so let's finish it off. So 65,000 level is pending, and that will eventually going to happen with the BTC, and at least a week or 2 week, that's what I'm expecting, or maybe even the entire next next entire month will try to trade some something like consolidation uh, for to attempt for the upside, but eventually it will go up until this price level which I have mentioned, and then it will go for the downside from this price level for that 65,000 level. So yeah, and yeah, starting with the 75, I think 75 is where price will try to take next support, but 65 is the last major support the BTC has it right now. That's how the price will, I think, most probably react, or may going to perform. So yeah, that's all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching my content. If you like my content, please like. If you are are into the some Bitcoin update, and you can subscribe my channel and click the notification so that you will get the latest update whenever I will be uploading a new video. So yeah, that's all for now, and bye bye and take care.